Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about iOS 27, currently on its third beta, and we also have the first public beta released this week. It is actually an amazing update, and this beta 3, it's looking like it will be the best beta so far in terms of performance and battery. It is actually setting new records. But before we get into all that and talk about the performance and the battery life that we're getting and everything else you need to know about this update and upcoming updates of iOS 27, let's first talk about some more new features that we have been able to discover on the third beta of iOS 27. Now, first of all, as you probably know by now, the main thing here on iOS 27 is the new Siri AI. And with the new Siri AI on iOS 27 Beta 3, we have now a new feature where Siri will be able to access information from third-party apps, as you can see right here. So this is happening all on the Siri app. Of course, we have a new Siri app on iOS 27. And basically asking, in this case, as you can see, this example right here, asking for the state of the charge of the car. It will have access to the Tesla app, which then of course shows you the percentage of battery right here, which is really awesome. So something that has been promised before, now Apple has actually delivered, and you will be able to have access to information on third-party apps using the new Siri AI. Now here we have also a smaller change on the settings app when going to Siri. Now previously right here it used to say Siri, and you will have also the word beta there. Now actually it has been removed, so now it just says Siri, but they have added the beta badge right there to the Siri icon on the settings app. Now we have also another smaller change, but in my opinion it's really good and very welcomed on the home screen. So when you use your icons on the home screen with iOS 26 and newer, also on iOS 27 beta 1 and 2, you will have those highlights around the icons, which in my opinion don't actually look that great. Now with the third beta, they actually have been reduced a lot. And in my opinion, that actually looks much better, and it makes the home screen look way cleaner. Now on the Shortcuts app, we have also a change here. As you can see right there at the top, it used to be like a menu with like 3 lines. Now they have actually changed that to an edit button, which of course makes it much easier for users to find and know where the edit button is on your iOS 27 Shortcuts app. Another change here on the settings app, live recognition has been moved to the main menu here under accessibility. So once you go here, there it is, you will have live recognition right there. So it's much easier for you to actually have access to live recognition. Now the main highlight of iOS 27, despite all the cool new features and changes, in my opinion, will be performance and battery. Now, every time with these updates, there are promises of better battery life and even better performance, but actually iOS 27 does deliver. This is right here, the test on iOS 27 Beta 3 with Geekbench 6, and it's actually amazing. This is the best score that I've gotten on iOS 27, 3,834 for the single core score, and that's better than iOS 26 has ever been, and almost 10,000 here on the multi-core score, 9,985, which is again an amazing score. And you will have to keep in mind that we're currently just on the third beta of iOS 27, and we have about 2 months to go until this gets out to the public, so it should be way better and way better performance and probably way better battery life until this gets ready to be released to the public. Talking about battery life, iOS 27 Beta 3 is amazing. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the battery usage, and you will see the times here that we got with iOS 27 Beta 3. So 72% battery usage, 7 hours 9 minutes. Then we have right here 97% battery usage, 9 hours. Right here 101% battery, as you can see, over 10 hours, actually 10 hours and 25 minutes. Right here, another 102% battery, 9 hours, 32 minutes. While right here, we had almost 9 hours with 86% battery usage. Here, almost 10 hours with, again, 93% battery usage. So it's actually amazing. iOS 27 is great when it comes to battery. Beta 1 has been great. Beta 2 was great as well. Beta 3 is even better, and it should be even better with the next few betas. And now, talking about next betas, let's go ahead and talk about when can we expect the 4th beta, and then of course the next releases, what will happen and how will the schedule of releasing these betas change from now on. Well, the 4th beta is coming most likely the 20th of July. That will be this Monday. And then we will have to wait another couple of weeks for Apple to release the 5th beta, which in my opinion will be August the 3rd. Now, if history is any indicator, and taking a look back at the previous years and how Apple has released these betas, we should go on a weekly cycle of releasing betas from the 5th to the 6th. So beta 5th right here, that will be August the 3rd. The 6th beta should be right here, August the 10th. In my opinion, that will happen until we go to the RC. Usually from the last beta to the RC, they will take like 2 weeks. So right here, beta 7, beta 8, and then we should get the RC right here on the 7th. And in my opinion, iOS 27 is coming out to the public right here on September 14th. Everything, history, all the different indicators suggest that this is most likely the day when Apple releases iOS 27 to the public. Most likely the 8th will be the new iPhone reveal. Of course, the iPhone goes on pre-order on Friday. It ships on the 18th, the next Friday. And that Monday before the iPhones ship, that same week, it gets released to the public as usual, as it has happened every year. Now, with all these informations, as you can see right here, performance great, batteries really great, and everything else we know about this update, the question is, should you update or not? Well, as you probably know, Apple has released this week the first public beta of iOS 27, and you know, when the public beta is out, that is the time when Apple thinks that the update is actually ready for the public. So in my opinion, yes, you can just go ahead and install iOS 27 on your device if you want to try the new features. And it actually has been really good since beta 1. And I wouldn't have a problem and didn't have a problem with this update since beta 1 on the daily driver. It is actually really good, and you probably won't even notice that you have a beta installed on your iPhone. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, smash the like button and of course subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.